this video, we're going to show you how to add a 3D map into your mobile mockup in Figma. Here's a demo of how it would appear in your prototype. We have created 3 different views using this plugin. Close the prototype. Before you begin, you will want to create a frame. Do so by pressing F on your keyboard, locate iPhone 17 on the right, click on it, and it will drag it into the working space that you have. Once you have done so, make sure you have unselected the iPhone 17 frame and right click anywhere, plugins, manage plugins, and search for maps.to.design, which will give you this plugin. Save it and run it. Once you're running it, it should appear like this. So let's begin with let me just close this so that it's convenient for you to see in real time what happens. So this is what happens when you first launched it. Keyboard, hold Control, mouse cursor, drag to tilt it. So now you're seeing a 3/4 view. Change the type of display from default 3D, light, dark of your choice. Let's go for 3D in this demo. So by default, it's this map. Go ahead and punch in the address that you know for your project. But let's just stick to Market Street in this case. Once you have this, if you want to zoom in, scroll, or press the options on the side. Zoom out. To pan, left, right, left click on the mouse to drag. To rotate, right click on the mouse to spin. Click on either to shift. Once you have found the right position, press export. Notice that it gives you a new frame in the background, which is not within your iPhone 17 frame. Let's go ahead and narrow it so that it fits into your mobile phone display. In this case, I have some preset layout guides. Just going to make sure that things are aligned. You don't have to do so for this demo's sake. Zooming, demo. I'm adding round corners also, 20 degrees. So with that added in, notice that once I click somewhere else, the plugin also resizes itself. Go ahead, make sure the frame is selected. Go ahead and export into Figma. Now note that your marker is centralized according to what you want. So that's one way to do it. Let's extend the length of this frame, and we're going to add 3 more maps. Select the first map that you have created, hold alternate on the keyboard, drag it down. Don't have to worry about the alignment at this juncture. With this second map still aligned, go back to riots. I'm just going to change from market to main street. Just choose a main street. Look at the map, it's different. Go ahead and click export. Remember, with the second frame selected, export. Note that it dynamically changes. So with your plugins still running, when we select the different maps that was exported, it will instantly change. So this benefits in the future if you're changing the view or the type of angle that you want to adjust for your prototype. Now let's create a third one. Just for demo's sake, now we have a third one. We had Market Street, we have Main Street. I'm just going to add a cross street just for the sake of having variety. Look at the different views of the map now with the third frame selected and a third location. Export in Figma. Note the change. And you have it. We have three different type of locations. This is assuming that we are prototyping or mocking up a Find Us location page. I'm just going to select the frame, change the background a little bit for contrast sake. Now that we have these three maps, go ahead and press Shift Space on your keyboard. Look at how it changed. This demo is meant for a mobile view, so if you're planning to add maps on a desktop view, it's the same features, just the dragging and resizing is according to your desktop guides. And there you go. Thank you.